Hello guys, how are you doing? How is your day coming along? Today is Valentine's Day and yesterday was my birthday. That was my setup. All red balloons with a bit of gold and rose gold. Yeah, today is Valentine's and we just finished taking our breakfast. I had done a little setup just to show some romance to my man. And I want to unbox my gifts zenye nilipata jana and today. So ziko hapa. Yesterday we did an intimate birthday, just me and my siblings, my hubby and my sister's hubby. And we did that because it's a weekday. It was on Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And we didn't want to invite many people to inconvenience them. Yeah, so we did like a small birthday and they gave me some gifts. I want to share with you what they brought me. Enjoy this video, kindly subscribe. You've done me proud, guys. Mliongezeka, more than 150 people subscribed and I want to thank you so much. God bless you. Yes, so here is everything. I got a bouquet. Hii ilikuwa ya leo ya Valentine's, but I was given yesterday since there's no way they could have hidden it. Yeah, so and I appreciate it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, my love, and happy Valentine's too. Sitaziweka hizi hivi, nitazitoanisha niweke kwa vase na niziweke maji na flower food. At least nikaekae nazo ni enjoy. Next, let's go with this. I want to open this one the last. This one was from my sister and her hubby. Sasa tuone na wameifunga. Nafunga hata uwezi chungulia, uwezi ona. Imefungwa. Amefunga kufunga. Good. Nionyeshe ama niachane nayo nisionyeshe. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, Mary, thank you so much, girl. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing I have in my closet, in my bag collection. It's so cute. Oh my God, thank you, baby sister. Thank you so much. God bless you with your hubby. Mungu awabariki sana. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, guys. Oh. Next one. This was from my baby sis as well. Sandals. Baji wase alivaa hizi vitu tukiwa na yeye. I didn't know it was my gift. Oh my goodness. You're so cute, pink. She knows me too well. This one works for me. Thank you so much, baby sis. I love you. Mwah. And let's finish with the birthday gift in your Valentine's. Hapa niko na madola. Nionyeshe. Acha tutoe. Huku ni black and white, hakuna kuficha. So yeah. Kuna madola, first bahasha. some money. What do they say about money? What is that thing they say about money? Money is everything. Then this one is from my hubby. It has a message. Sijui kama mnaiona. From hubby. Happy 29th, my love. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Baby girl ako na pocket money. Pocket money for 29th birthday. Sita account na nyinyi, nita account peke yangu. It's a good amount. Si kidogo sana. Thank you so much, my love. God bless you. God bless you. Madola zikae hapo karibu na mimi. And I don't know why something is telling me to open this one the last. Am I open it now? No, let me trust my instincts. Oh. So, in this box nimewekewa kitu moja. I already know what it is. I'll insert a clip for you guys of what we have done this morning during breakfast. We have done something, nitawaonyesha. So this one had a ring, pete, and the ring is here. Ndio nimevaa sahi. Don't know if you can see it well. Nitawazumia guys, I show you. It was in here. So my man decided that I deserve a ring this Valentine.
My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Find out you didn't make my temperature to rise. If you leave me, I'll go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I won't be your nurse. Your love is torturing me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your coffee.
He got me a ring. It's a promise ring. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. Every girl deserves a ring. Promise ring, wedding ring, engagement ring, push gifts. Rings are my love language. He got me one this Valentine. So this one is a Valentine gift, by the way, not a birthday gift. But since it's just yesterday and today, I absolutely love it. Let's see what's in here. It's a necklace set. I think I get these almost every year. Lazima nipate jewelry kutoka kwa my babe. Hizi ni za my babe. Hii na hii. He gets me a jewelry set ama moja every year, either during Valentine's or my birthday or just randomly. Thank you so much, babe. I love it. And a lipstick, MAC original. He chose the color for me and I think it's beautiful. I love it. This was among my requests because zenye niko nazo zimeisha. So nimepata hii kama birthday gift. Thank you so much, my babe. My love. Aya, this one. Acha tufungue hii. Something has been telling me nifungue the last one. Hii ndio gift alinipea jana usiku. Together with this is a birthday. Valentines zimekuja asubuhi. What do you think is in here? I don't think I can guess. City walk ni ya viatu na bags. I don't know. Kama ni box tu ya city walk. Oh. Na zimefungwa. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my God, babe. Okay, let me tell you this. My mans promised me boots, but I didn't expect this type of boots. These are so sleek. Alini promise boots. So tukipitaga city walk ama place kunauzwa viatu flow, those places I tell him, you promised me shoes. And he chose the perfect time to bring me shoes, my boots. Oh my God, they're so cute. Let me see the other one. I will try these ones right now. Oh my God. Babe, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Akizi, nitakuwa nazivaa. Iwe mvua, iwe jua. I will rock this every single day. Hadi zinitambue. Oh my God. Then here is my Valentine's gift. Alongside with the ring, he got me a few chocolates, like a small, what do we call this? It's very tiny. This is not a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. It's very tiny. With some 2 roses, some body cream, and I think this one is a candle. I hope it's a candle. Acha nifungue. I show you guys. Oh my God, I won't put the moon over the shoes. So what we have here, we have 2 roses, 2, and this is the body cream, shea butter, ultimate hydration, Japanese cherry blossom. So cool. I love it. Then we have some chocolates, not a lot, just for me, but I share with him. Nitampe. The Cated bear I was talking about. It's tiny, but it's a teddy bear. Sasa hii nitakuwa nafanyia nini? The reason why I don't ask for teddy bears is because I don't know the meaning, and again, I don't know what to do with them. I have babies, so hii maybe niweke hapo kwa bed, nitakuwa nalala nako. So cute. Says I love you, I love you. Valentine's manenos. Oh, this is the same product as this. I hope I'm doing it the right way. It's a perfume. It's a perfume, guys. Mama. Hey. Oh my God. And it smells heavenly. Thank you so much, guys. It's a perfume. I thought it's a candle, by the way. Hey. Hii soft life nitawezana. Oh my goodness. Lorenzo de Mosiki. I hope it's pronounced that way. Cherry blossom. And it's a lot. Another thing I normally get almost annually on my birthdays and Valentine's is perfumes. I don't think I've ever missed a perfume in my gifts over the years, and I'm so grateful because I love perfumes. So hii na hii zinaendana. Najipaka hii, napiga hii. And of course, the packaging was beautiful. I love it. Hizi natumiaga kama charger plates. Sijui nyinyi mkipata mnatumia kama nini, but I use them as charger plates. Highlights. Face. The ring. I love it. I don't even know what to say, but thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you, my sisters. Thank you, my in-law. God bless you all. Thank you for attending my birthday. It was so brief, but we enjoyed. Tulienjoy jana usiku. I hope mmeona video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are doing a great job, guys. Thank you for clicking that button. God bless you. See you on the next one. Acha nipime hizi viatu. This is the first thing I'm doing. Nishapima ringi imenitoshea. Wadau. Mmesema sherehe ni wapi? They're so comfy. They're so comfortable. Good. You guys, I'm over the moon.